Alright, today I'm going to open a box of Core 2021 booster packs. Alright, so let's get to it. Hopefully I'll find something great in here. But if not, then it's still going to be fun. Alright, let's see. Let's get it. Alright. Whoa. Alright, here we come to Fairy. Let's start with one of these. Okay. Like this. Ooh, I actually like that card a lot. Spell Gorger Weird. Oh, I guess it's like a different, I think it's token. Creature, land. Shiny land. Seed of Truth. Look at top 3 cards, but the it's not bad. Let's put that in that pile right there. Actually, we'll just put that, it's the highlight pile right here. Okay. I think I got this all set up. Creature enchantment. Ooh, look at the art on that thing. Enchantment. Creature instant. Creature land. Creature instant. Is it me or is there a lot more cards in these packs? Okay. Token, land. Another whale. Wow, the art, it's really nice. Artifact. Sorcery. Instant. Creature. Instant. Creature, sorcery. Ooh, look at this unicorn. Alright, 2 down. More to go. Get it. Ooh. Wow, this is actually a good token. So that being said, there's probably a goblin wizard with prowess in here somewhere. This is a shiny falconer. Okay, our first good card. Has lifelink. Creatures, 2 or more creatures. Draw a card whenever. So they're saying. Oh, that's not bad. Elf. Sorcery. Wow, look at this. I'm loving the art. Alright. Angel token. These tokens are nice. Alright. Massacre Forum. Ooh. They remade these. These are really good. Elf Druid. Thought there was a code. No code. Alright, let's see this. Oh, this is the rare pile, of course. Always creature heavy. Let's just move some of this stuff so you can see all the cards. I think tokens aren't that important. There. Okay. Soldier token, mountain. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Okay. Huh? It's not bad. I'm looking for a shiny Teferi. Instant. Sorcery. Sorcery. Creature. Instant. Sorcery. Come on, let's get some Planeswalker action. Some of that Planeswalker action. The Ooze. Ooh, wait. I think this is a good card. Exile target card from graveyard. Go to +1/+1. Ooh, this is a good card. Wow, this one had 2. Ooh, it's a Grim Tutor. Full art. Wow. Not bad. That's a hit. bad. Oh, this is the one with the prowess. Costs a lot though. So Grim Tutor, not bad. Ooh, I had a feeling. It's not shiny, but it's not bad. It's pretty cool. Scourge. Creature, shock, and Teferi's protege. So that means Teferi's in this box somewhere. I have a feeling he's coming up. Teferi's coming up. Okay, this one looks good. Not bad. There's a lot of uncommons in this one, this pack. Got a lot of packs to go. A lot of packs to go. Okay, another legendary creature. Wow. It's pretty good, actually. Another Goblin Arsonist. Okay. One cast. Ooh, this is like a discard deck card. Wow. Pretty good. Oh, that's interesting. Artifact. Rookie mistake. Not bad. Ooh, zombie. Lilianis. Fairy. Okay. Cool looking goblin here. It's alright. Make another stack for creatures. Oh, it's a really nice art here. Spellgorger weird. Another Liliana zombie. Zombie. Okay, our first shiny rare. Oh, okay. This is like a sideboard card. Ooh, this one came with 2. Sandra's Incarcerator. This is a good pack. Legendary enchantment, artifact creature, instant creature. Alright, I think we're like halfway there. A lot of packs. A lot of packs to open in here. Ooh. Ooh, look at this beautiful land we found. I'm just gonna put that right here. And then legendary dragon. Oh, it's very conditional. Basically what it's saying that we need artifacts. A dog. Okay. I mean, got some cool cards. Things who stand outish. Okay, Shacklegeist. Not the best. Bad deal. Oh, this used to be a rare card. Beast. Ooh, this one's good. This is a good card. Not bad. Ooh, treasure. Treasure token. Alright, rare land. It's alright. If only it was a dual land. Oh, that was good. You gain 3 life and you draw a card for 2. Okay, I think we already found this at first, but this is a shiny one. Other cats control get +1/+1 and have protection from dogs. That's funny. It's like, don't fight me with your dog. Alright, we're almost there. Not even close. I think we're halfway there. We're halfway there. Hop on that arena. Shiny, uncommon. Like, this is the dog. Looks like Beethoven. It's core set life. Whoa, I like this land. Prowess. Okay. This is the last pack I'm gonna open for now. And then we'll come back to it in 1 second. We will resume. All right, let's get it. Oh, okay. Not the best card. Right, and then we have to build one more stack. What? This is really good. This is really good. Ooh, look at this art. Pretty cool. Really digging a lot of the art here. Alright, of course, there's always a lot more creatures than anything. Oh. Blooper. Let's see here. Token. What did I drop? No. I dropped them all actually. But hopefully nothing too good isn't damaged. Okay. That's what we got. Volcanic Salvo. Whoa, it causes a lot. Oh well. Cost X lux of cash. It's okay. Instant sorcery crab creature. Life goes on. You gain 4 life. If the creature died this turn, you gain 8 life. Okay, that's not bad. That's probably the best card in that pack. There we go. I have a feeling this is the one. Ooh, already a good sign. Pretty land. Double power. Ta-da. Ooh, it's pretty nice. Okay, we have a shiny mutt. It's kind of cute. Death touch. 1 life and you gain 1 life whenever a creature you control. Creature, sorcery, instant, a beast. This might be an error. It has nothing on it. Error cards. Okay. Scry 1. Alright, we're nearing. Getting close here. A little organized here. All right. All right. My hopes are still up for Teferi. Maybe 2 Teferis. I'm just asking for a lot. Pitch burn. Glorious Anthem remade. It's pretty. Glorious Anthem. All right, we're closing in. Closing in. All right. Ooh, pack leader dog. We can make a dog deck now. That's funny. Cat deck, dog deck, dinosaur deck. And unicorn deck. Opt. Solid card. I think I liked opening Ikoria more. Legendary creature. That's alright. I thought I saw like some autograph thing. It's not bad. Not bad, not bad. Elemental dog. Cyclops. Elf druid. Alright, let me just stack these. It's easier. It's a lot of creatures. A lot of creatures. Cat token. Land. Ooh. New land. Animal sanctuary. Put a +1/+1 dog. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Oopsies. All right. Spore web weaver. Okay. This is definitely not. An error pack. I wish it was. But win some, you lose some. Nope. No Teferi so far. But it's alright. Ooh, Shiny Plains full art. Okay. This one's pretty cool too. Except it's not Teferi, but it's okay. Just keep on talking about Teferi. I have 3 more packs left. Hopefully Teferi's one of those packs. Nada. Alright. Ooh, full art. Fungus, legendary land. Huh. Not bad. Not bad at all. Creature enchantment. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Primal Might. Alright, and that is it. No more. Last pack. Last pack magic. Alright. Plains. Ooh! Alright, at least we got one Planeswalker. That's Chandra. Sandra, my love. Okay. Enchantment, sorcery. Okay, and so the highlight of this Chandra, the Heart of Fire. Discard your hand, then exile the top 3 cards of your library. Until the end of turn, you may play cards exiled this way. Another +1 is Sandra, Heart of Fire deals 2 damage to any target, and then the -9 ability is search your graveyard and library for any number of red instant or sorcery cards. Exile them and then shuffle your library. You may cast them this turn. Wow, that's pretty cool. Well, that concludes another unboxing of Core 2021 today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for another unboxing video soon. Thanks.